Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to find your YouTube user ID. Follow these easy steps to find and copy your YouTube user ID. Open YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. Once done, click on your profile photo at the top right and here scroll down and click on settings. Once you are in YouTube settings page, here select advanced settings and here you will get your YouTube user ID. To copy your user ID, you can click on this copy button next to your user ID. Also, here you will get your YouTube channel ID. So this is how we can find our YouTube user ID. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.